Hello everyone, thank you for joining me. Today we are doing a Fuecoco Spiced Ginger Loaf Pokemon recipe. I love these recipes because you pretty much just throw everything in a bowl and then stick it in the oven. They're nice and quick and easy. Let's get straight into it. So you want 120 grams of unsalted butter. I use salted, so it's entirely up to you, and you need to soften this. Add 60 grams of honey or molasses, and then add 165 grams of light brown sugar. You're then going to lightly mix this together and add 2 large eggs. We're then adding 120 ml of buttermilk. This needs to be room temperature, and a tablespoon of vanilla extract. We are now adding all of our dry ingredients. This will be 240 grams of plain flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Once you're happy that's all mixed in, you're going to put that in your loaf tin and put it in the oven at 180 degrees, which is 350 Fahrenheit, for 40 minutes. Once you're happy your loaf has cooled, you're going to make your icing. It's 100 grams of icing sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of milk. You'll then need to split this mix into 3 different bowls, and you will need some red and yellow food colouring. It suggests in the book add 3 to 5 drops of red to the first bowl, 1 drop of red and 3 to 5 drops of yellow in the second bowl, and 4 to 6 drops of yellow in the third bowl. Once you're happy they are mixed through, we are going to pour them on top to make your flame icing decoration. The method I've used is with a cocktail stick, and it's called Wet on Wet. If you wanted to have a look online at some ideas of how to do it, if you wanted to try something different. Let me know how you get on and what you think. I've also decorated mine with some candied ginger. As always, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.